Today I'm making a house and all the things near the house. So let's show. First we will take this square, then make a rectangle. Okay. So and do some piece. Okay. Then your second one should white. Okay. Then here solid color you will take, and here you will make. So with solid color it will erase already. Okay. Then now we will take triangle. Okay, then some piece. एंड आपको ये नीचे रखना है थोड़ा सा पीस। अगला काम होगा आपका इसे थोड़ा सा इधर कर देती हूँ मैं, फिर आप वापस लेंगे ऐसे इसे थोड़ा सा बड़ा, इसे थोड़ा सा मैं साइड में कर रही हूँ। तो इसके साइड में एक विंडो बनानी है, और विंडो इसके ना थोड़ा सा यहाँ से देखो और फिर यहाँ कर दो। ओके, सो आवर सेकंड वर्क इज pencil, and with the help of pencil we do like this. Wait, now here I will do Ctrl Z because it is strong. So again I will try like this and one this side. Idea, we can do Ctrl Z without that also. Another, we have pencils. One here we will made road. Okay, here. Okay, and अब हमें इसे थोड़ा सा नीचे and eraser. Okay, हो गया। और आपका इसमें दूसरा होगा वन अगेन ट्राइंगल, एक ट्राइंगल हेयर, थोड़ा सा यहाँ पर आपको एक और ट्राइंगल बनाना है। आपको सॉलिड कलर में ऑलरेडी से रखना है। Now like this and okay, नीचे फिर आपको एक और ऐसे बनाना है। And now this. Okay, then you have to take both here pencil again, triangle, 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 triangle. Oh, if it's too big, so you can do Ctrl Z. Then triangle, triangle. Okay, and हम इरेजर ले रही हूँ, थोड़ा सा साइज कर मैं कम कर देती हूँ क्योंकि मुझे अभी ये इरेज करना। Okay, eraser. Now we have to size big, and now we will erase this which we have done here. Okay, it has done. And now we have already a pencil, so we will make aeroplane here. Okay, I will do Control Z because my aeroplane was wrong. Like this. Now I will show you one thing also. And you know what is that? Okay, eraser. Again I need. Now we will erase this. Okay. Now our next thing is color again. Yellow color. Here. Okay. Then orange color. Here. Here. Okay, now blue, light blue here. Now another color. Pencil. Light green. Here also dark green. Okay. Here. Now we'll take this dark brown here. Okay. And gray here. So my painting has done now. Okay, so now it is done. It's time to go back. Bye.